Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of my Charlie's nail art haul. So this is the Valentine's foils. So there's not that many to get through, but I will do it as quick as I can. So this one is called Love and Affection. So I'm going to take them off of these because I don't store them on these anyway. So we shall just remove that. So this one is lots of love written in different fonts, and you have some hearts and some flowers, petals. They're like a heart box of chocolates. So I really like that. That is really pretty, and I like that it's on the clear backing because we all know I love my clear backing foils. So that is that one there. The next one is called Sweet Love. So let's have a look and see what this one looks like. So we will try and control this one a bit better than the last one. Oops. So this one you have Sweet Love, and you have some hearts, some lips, flowers. So you have like roses heads, and you have lipstick, and you have bow and a perfume bottle. Really cute. I really like that one. That is really cute. So let me just get the next one. So this one is called Heart of Gold. So it is a whole load of hearts. So you have gold hearts, you have the complete heart and the outside heart, and you have pastel colours, which are really nice. And I like that you still got clear patches on this, so you'll still be able to see your base colour, which I really like. They're really soft pastel colours, really pretty. So that one is called Heart of Gold. The next one is called Sweet Nothings. So let's have a look at this. Oh, now that's pretty. So it's got I love you written in different fonts, and it's in like a silvery grey, like a metallic silver. Let's focus the camera a bit more. So it's got some really beautiful flowers on it, and you've got little gold hearts as well. Look at the colouring in them flowers. Wow, that is pretty. And look at the detail of the leaves. Oh wow, I'm excited for that one. I really like that one. Just the colour. Wow, I love you. Oh, I really like that. So that is Sweet Nothings. The next one is called Feel the Love. So it looks like this is going to be uber colourful. Oh yes, look at this. It's got love written on it, and you've got all these hearts on here, and it is so colourful. Look at that. Wow, that is a fun foil. Wow, look, just look at them, all different shapes, and they've even got like different kind of images over the top as well. I don't think I have anything else like this. The camera's not focusing properly. Wow, that is really pretty, really pretty. I really like that. And again, it's on a clear backing, which is great. So that is Feel Love. So the next one is called In the Name of Love. Oh, and it's a black one. It is like black and red. Very nice. And again, clear backing as well. I absolutely love the clear backing. So you have like these hearts, which are like sort of like splatter. I really like that. And then you have this like weird thing. I don't know what you'd even call that. And you have some flowers on here as well. So you have like the head of the flower and 4 little leaves. That is really funky. So that is In the Name of Love. And next up we have Romantic Break. So So this one, oops. Oh, it's got butterflies. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow. Look at this. Now this is some fancy foil. Look at that. You have Eiffel Tower. You have these cupids. These flowers up here. Butterflies. Birds. So you have the Eiffel Tower. You have like two different colours. So you have a gold and silver. And you've all these different flowers on here. Wow, now that is a pretty. Wow, that is really pretty. Wow. Wow, it's really pretty. So that is Romantic Break. And the next one is called Love Pop Art. So yeah, I thought it was going to be like this. So this is very colourful. So you have like outline and you have text. Listen to your heart. Wow, love you. Cool. Love. What? Wow again. And you have this image here. And oh, look at this. That's really pretty. And you have the hashtag. All sorts of different fun images on here. Oh, look at that. How nice is that? Wow, this is very, very pretty. I really like this. You can do a lot with this. Don't just have to be limited to Valentine's either. Wow, look at that. There is a lot of different images on there. Even got glasses as well. So that is Love Pop Art. Only a couple of more to go. So this is Young Love. Wow, that went really dark. So this is the colour of this one. So it's another cute fun one. So you have a present, you have an envelope that's sealed with a love heart, and you have angels, you have bears, which remind me of Care Bears, and this says, "Be my Valentine." It's not very clear, is it? So yeah, you have lots of different hearts on here, and oh, look at this balloon, how cute is that? So you have a couple of different bears on here, and you have strawberries, and you have a diamond ring. Wow, that's really, really nice. Key. I like that. That's really, really nice. That's super fun. I really like that. So that is Young Love. Okay, so this is the second to last one. So this is called Matchmaker. And it is red. It's a really nice red. It's more like a pinky red. Is that the colour that's coming off on camera? No, it's a bit more purple than what it's showing on camera. I don't think it's going to actually pick it up. It's a bit more of a purpley kind of red, like a fuchsia kind of colour. Not red at all, fuchsia. So we have you cute bum. We have lots of different like cupids, and we have these little triangle people. Kiss, love. We have some birds. This one's really hard to see, but I can't put white there because otherwise the camera's going to freak out. And then we have I love you. Lots of different stuff on here. I will post some pictures at the end. It's just if I put a white background, the light on that side just makes it go all like, you know, like the lines on the screen. So I can't do that. But yeah. Oh, look at this heart. It's got wings. That's super cute. So that is Matchmaker. So we have one more left to go. And then you can hop over and buy some. So this is From the Heart. So this is another fun one. So this one is another really colourful one. It's got lots and lots of different stuff on here. So we have this like bunting, and we have all these different hearts on here. Look at that, it's got a little lolly stick as well. I like that. Can you see that? I wonder if I pop it over my nail, can you see? It's kind of like fuzzed out. I like that. Love coupon. And oh, look at this. It's on a peg. How cute is that? Wow, I really like this. Love you. And we have, oh, look at that love. How nice is that? I'm sorry. Yeah, I really like this. This is really, really cute. It's jam-packed with lots of different stuff. The same as the others. Wow. I like it. So yes, let me know your thoughts down below on these foils. And don't forget, I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's. My code will be probably on the screen. It will be at the end. And it's always in my description box, as well as any other codes I've got. So yeah, just save yourself a little bit of money when you go on there. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on these. Do you have a favourite one? I can't actually pick between these because they all kind of offer something different. So you have your like bright colours, you have your not so bright colours. I actually really like this one. And I liked Romantic Break, Heart of Gold, Sweet Nothing. I like that one. And the probably the Love Pop Heart one. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget my discount code if you place an order from Charlie's. I will have the website link down below, and her Facebook and Instagram as well. So yeah, I will post pictures at the end. And yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you if you watch part 1 as well. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will speak to you all soon. Okay, hope you see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.